in the middle of nowhere, covered with fog and very, very small roads with a big fat car. Holy shit. I'm expecting them fog men to jump out and try and stab us to death like the film Fog.
Are you too fat for that?
No. Get plenty of meat off me.
Yeah.
Holy crap. Oh, good. Middle of nowhere. All that farmland. Get it, Elvis. Oh, there it is. There it is. Shh. It'll come out in a minute. Oh, maybe not. I can hear it. Shh. You have to wait for it to come out now. There it is. Got it. There we go. That's Gil's old ball. It is. Stay at your bed. Go get it. Go get it. It's gone. It's gone. You didn't get it though, did you? It's a bit late now. Shh. You wake everyone up. It's too early. I don't chew my sofa. Nasty. Nasty knickers. Right, this is us going to try and put some snowshoes on Elvis. See if we succeed. Elvis, come here. What's these? Wow. Right, paw. Sit. Sit. Paw. Paw. Got to try and get your paws in them. Haven't we? Without hurting you. Hey? These were gills. They were. Right, hold on, hold on. You've got to, hold on. Elvis. Come here. Hold on. Like so. Come here. It's funny how they always have to hold. Come here. Hold the paws like they're injured or something, which is funny. This is just 2 snow socks. 2 snow socks. Come here. The 2 front ones. Oh, he's took one off, little bugger. Right, come here. Yeah, what's this? What's this? Right, sit. Sit.
Try it.
Sit.
Kind of not for you, dickhead. Well, you're behaving straight away.
Oh.
Are you trying to put those on?
Yeah.
Good luck with that.
Right, yeah. Wait. Paw. Good boy. Wait. Wait. I've got to try them on you yet. Hold on, hold on. There's one. Right, sit. Elvis. Sit. Sit. Paw. So it's easy doing the front ones, isn't it? Hey. Stay. Come here. Come here. Elvis. Fighting with you, yeah?
That's still not killed me, yeah. Right, let's get rid of something.
Stay. Try to thread. Think through. Like so. There we go. Oh. Elvis. Come here. Right, come on. Wait, come on. Never mind food. Come on. Oh. You're going out with them on. Oh, they keep your paws warm. They do, they keep your paws warm. What is it? Hey? A walking? Fetch it! Go get it! Now he's just following the food.
When did you send me this text?
Huh?
I just seen your text. So if you listen now, you can hear in the background horrible noise, and it's a fuel injection checkup. And it's not starting up, so it's probably froze up.
Yeah.